What is the difference between an independent contractor and an employee in California? The attorneys at Fair Employment Lawyers explain. Under California law, as a general rule, every person who is providing labor or services or working for someone else must be considered an employee rather than an independent contractor unless the employer can demonstrate that three important conditions are met. First, the worker must be free from the control and direction of the company when performing the work, both under the terms of the contract and in fact. This means the worker must not be controlled by the boss in deciding how they do their work. The worker is hired to do a specific task, but the boss doesn't get to tell them how to do it. Second, the worker must be hired to perform work that is outside the usual scope of the company's business. This means if, for example, an accounting firm hires an accountant, the accountant is probably going to be an employee because they are doing work that is in the course of the business. On the other hand, if the accounting firm hires a plumber to fix their sink, the plumber is more likely an independent contractor because they are not doing work that is in the normal course of the accounting firm's business. The final condition is that the worker must be customarily engaged in an independently established trade, occupation, or business of the same nature as that involved in the work it is hired to perform. Using the example of a plumber, if it is a plumbing professional who does plumbing work for other clients, then they are engaged in an independent calling and an independent trade and may be classified as an independent contractor. Whatever the nature of your case, you can rely on the trial, litigation, and settlement experience of the lawyers at Fair Employment Lawyers. So call now or visit our website at www.fairemploymentlawyers.com.